An investment in training could be one of the most important parts of selecting and implementing a new inventory software. We know this from interacting with thousands of users and potential users of Unleashed, how important it is for business owners to maximize the return on their investment. We've created the Unleashed Academy with a single goal in mind. The purpose of the Academy is to help you maximize that return in the shortest possible time, eliminating costly mistakes, whilst empowering your employees to get the most from your investment in your new inventory solution.
Inventory management can be tricky for many businesses, regardless of how big they are. When choosing inventory management software, one of the things you should take into consideration is the availability of training material. We put big emphasis on this, as we believe training will set yourself and your team on the right track. To make the most of your learning experience, create a training plan aligned with your business needs. Get to know the resources available and set aside time to train yourself and all users involved in the process. Remember, learning should be ongoing. Make sure all users are comfortable with the software. This will save you and your business time and will help you maintain accuracy. Prioritizing upskilling should be the number one thing you need to have as part of your business strategy. Learning should be seen as a competitive advantage in today's market, and incorporating those best practices into your day-to-day process can lead your business to greater margins and increase accuracy.